India's kicked off its vaccination drive. This is the world's largest inoculation drive, and so far over 3.8 lakh people, healthcare and frontline workers, have been vaccinated, have received their first dose of vaccination. But these vaccines aren't 100% safe for everyone. Manufacturers of India's indigenous vaccines, that is Bharat Biotech's Covaxin, as well as Serum Institute of India's Covishield, have put out fact sheets for those who can get the jab and those who can't. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking those details down for you. Let's start off with Bharat Biotech's Covaxin. Who should avoid this vaccine? Well, people who are immune compromised or those who are on any medication that affects immunity cannot get Bharat Biotech's Covaxin. Those who have any history of allergies must also avoid getting vaccinated by Covaxin. Besides that, if anyone is showing any symptoms of fever or has a slight temperature, then again, they're not the ideal candidate for this vaccine. Anyone with a bleeding disorder or if they're on a blood thinner, Bharat Biotech has said, avoid Covaxin, avoid this vaccine then. Anyone who's pregnant or is breastfeeding cannot also take the vaccine at this point, and that's because the vaccine hasn't been used. There's been no trial on anyone who's been pregnant or on nursing mothers. So we don't know yet how they'll react to the vaccine, which is why Bharat Biotech has mentioned them also on their fact sheet. Now, anyone who's received another coronavirus vaccine cannot then jump and then take the Bharat Biotech's Covaxin. That's a big no, and that's something Bharat Biotech has again made clear. Any other serious health issues as determined by the healthcare officer supervising the vaccine can also be identified as something that makes this candidate not ideal for the vaccine. This is mentioned as far as Bharat Biotech's Covaxin is concerned. What about Serum Institute's Covishield? Who should avoid this vaccine? Well, as per their fact sheet, anyone who's allergic to any ingredient in the vaccine, and I'm just going to quickly list out what are the ingredients of the vaccine. It has L-histidine and then L-histidine hydrochloride monohydrate, disodium editate dehydrate, and water for injection. Serum Institute has also said that if the first dose of Covishield caused an allergic reaction, then avoid the second dose. Under 18 women who are pregnant or breastfeeding also are not ideal candidates for the vaccine Covishield. Now, importantly, both the fact sheets, Bharat Biotech's as well as Serum Institute of India, has specified that anyone who's getting the vaccine must detail any health complications or ailments that they're suffering from to the healthcare officer or to their healthcare providers. Here's a list of all that people should mention: their existing medical conditions, if they have any allergies, if they are at the time of vaccination having temperature, if they're running a fever, if their immunity is compromised in any way, or if they're on any medication that affects the immunity. Also, healthcare officers must be informed if they've received another coronavirus vaccine. Now, one of the questions that's most frequently asked is what are the side effects of this vaccine? Now, as far as Bharat Biotech and Serum Institute go, they have listed the risks, they've listed the side effects of their respective coronavirus vaccines. And there are a number of them. Minor side effects would be swelling, would be pain, redness, itching, and all of this where the injection has been administered. So those are the minor side effects. Now, the fact sheets also list several other symptoms like stiffness in the upper arm where the injection again was administered, weakness in the injection arm, body ache, you've got headache, fever, fatigue, rashes, even nausea and vomiting have been listed as side effects of the vaccination. So those are the side effects that Bharat Biotech and Serum Institute have listed besides the fact sheet about who can get the jab, who can get vaccinated and who can't. And with the vaccination drive, we hope that you found this video and all of this information useful.